Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sew a spaghetti strap. So I practically have this strap of lycra which I've cut along the grain, so on the stretchier side, right? So it's 3 centimeters on, as long as you have the fabric. It's usually 1.5 meters. What I'm going to do, I'm practically folding it in two, just like this, and then I start to pin all along. I fold it into facing the right side of the fabric together, so the right side it's being folded inside. So this will be my right side, and what you see, it's the wrong side of the fabric. So I just go ahead and I'm pinning all along my strap, and afterwards I will be going to my serger and I will be serging it, adding elastic in the same time. I know a lot of people ask if they should add elastic or not. I think it's very professional if you add elastic, and your swimwear will be lasting longer. But I know it's an open debate, so I always say adding elastic is optional for your straps, for your spaghetti straps. I will be adding it. I always have rubber elastic on hand, so I'm always adding it. So as you see, I've already folded my my strap. I actually did already one because I'm recording another video for a beautiful bikini. So I'm just putting it under my serger foot, and I do have an elastic guider, so of course this is saving me a lot of time, and I just simply guide it like that with my finger, and look how beautiful it's coming. So yeah, this is just so simple, of as simply serging it just like that. Sorry, my elastic got messed up over here. All right. Okay. So what I'm practically doing is I'm just going all the way till the end. And yes, I'm always making sure that my elastic doesn't get tangled. Like sometimes I've got things over. So normally once I'm done with the strap, next what I'm going to do is turning the strap on the right side of the fabric using a loop turner. So I've got this loop turner, is a lifesaver. You can always use a safety pin, but it takes so much longer. So yeah, I prefer the loop turner because it saves me a lot of time. So I'm practically bringing the loop turner, I pinch it inside and just simply pull, and I try not to force it because I don't want to rip my stitches, right? So I don't like overly pull. But yeah, look how simple it is, and look how beautiful this strap is looking. This bikini is gonna look amazing. All right, so this is how you're doing a spaghetti strap. I hope you like it. I hope you can do it as beautifully. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Happy sewing!